Hey there everybody. I decided to videotape the answers for these problems just because they were a little bit more involved and I wanted you to see the work that went with them. So this is number 1. Remember, we're trying to get it into y equals mx plus b form, so I'm solving for y. So I'm going to subtract 14x from both sides first. Remember, because I'm trying to get this alone, so I got to get rid of that. That makes this go away. This cannot be combined, so it just becomes negative 14x plus 6. And then I still have my negative 2y here. Last step is to divide by negative 2. Remember, you have to divide every piece on the other side by negative 2, not just like part of it. Okay, so that's going to end up being a giant 1 and it'll go away. So I have y equals negative 14 divided by negative 2. We can simplify that to just be 7x. 6 divided by negative 2, that'll be negative 3. So you can either have plus negative 3 or just minus 3. Same thing. And again, if you wrote it a little bit differently than what I did, you could have had the negative 3 first. That's okay. It's just typically when we have like the mx first and then the b. But as long as you have 7x somewhere and negative 3, it's right. Number 2. This is my original equation. So I'm trying to get y alone. So I'm working with this side. So I'm going to take away 3. And I'm going to end up with just 2y over here. 4x, 7 minus 3 is 4, so plus 4. And then my last step is to get the y alone, so I divide by 2. Remember, I'm dividing every piece by 2. So again, this is a giant 1 that just becomes y equals 2x plus 2. Might be a little bit harder to see that one, but that says y equals 2x plus 2. Got a little small there, sorry. And then on my last one here, this one should have been super quick because there was nothing with the y. So it's just going to be a one-stepper. So I have y minus 6 over here, so I'm going to add 6 to both sides. And remember, I'm always trying to do the opposite thing. I'm trying to make that go to 0. So a minus 6 and then a plus 6, that's 0. And then I'm left with y. I'm going to add 6 over here. These are not like terms, so I'm just going to write it as a big long sentence. 2x plus 6, and you're done there. Once you have the y alone, you're done. This one, there's no division, so you didn't have to divide anything out at the end. So again, the first one should have been y equals 7x plus negative 3. Second one was y equals 2x plus 2. And then the third one, y equals 2x plus 6. Hope you guys did okay on that. If not, please ask questions or email Plugins or I, because we're always here to help. See you later.